Okay, I've made a couple videos on this, but this is a game changer for me and the way I'm cleaning. So I have this great big shower. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna push pause and turn my screen around. Great big shower, okay? So it is a nightmare to clean sometimes. It takes a lot of time. I've got the pebble flooring, the pebble grooves, but this bad boy, I have it on its side, and it was literally a bitch to clean. And I'm gonna show you, and I've already cleaned part of it, but because it would sit on the floor and I haven't cleaned this in a really long time, you can see the moldiness right there on the legs. And because it had holes in it, I really had a hard time cleaning it. So I'm gonna show you what this little power brush does really quick. So I'm gonna try to hold my phone. I'm gonna spray some soap on and then show you how it works, so hang tight. All right, so I do not want to drop my phone in this water. So again, see the mold, right? I'm gonna spray some soap. Turn this bad boy on, right? There we go, and watch. Now this brush, look how it's cleaning. Right? And it gets in all these nice little grooves. Now for the guys, if you're looking for something to, let me turn it off. If you're looking for something to clean your car off, clean your car with, look. Okay, I'm gonna clean a little bit more. It's literally scrubbing the scum. And I can press really hard and it doesn't stop. Doesn't like quit working. Let me do this one down here. Okay, so this one down here, look, see that? Game changer when it comes to cleaning. Right, like I said, it's been there for a while, but look at that. Let's see what happens here. Look at that. Let me rinse it off. Oh my goodness. That is freaking a game changer. This is totally changing, let me turn this off so you can hear me, totally changing the way I clean. Because like I said, this shower is just so hard to clean sometimes, and I'm getting older, so it's getting more difficult for me to clean. And I came across this on TikTok Shop, and I was like, let me try it out. It doesn't hurt to purchase it, you know, whatever. I said yes, and it has literally cut my time in half when it's cleaning my shower or whatever you want to clean, because there's different adapters. It also has a pole, adjustable pole that you can put on it, and you can literally clean your floor, your showers, your car, whatever it is, outside of your house, whatever it is, windows, anything. So if you're interested in checking it out, I highly recommend it. Click on that link right there and grab your scrub brush, because it is a game changer, especially if you're a clean freak like me.